Mary, your log roll, honey. Log roll. Lay on your side and roll down. Yeah, it's okay. You just roll right over it. Wait. Mary, Mary, you need to do your V-sit, honey.
Eat water?
Oh, just a female. And if female came to Liz when she was here, it's not under rule. Well, it came to what people not they're all wearing 1, 2, 3, go! They're wearing these white shirts with like denim writing, and they all were good job. And that was right before travel, and so it's like we thought, you know what, we can try people.
Yep, it's squishy, honey. Okay, now you need to walk along the balance beam and touch it. Okay, touch it to the cones. Yep, just like that. Now touch it. There you go. Now, yep, other side. Try to keep your knees straight. When you touch, try to keep your knees straight. Try not to bend your knees. Huh? All right, hold on.
Good job, Claudia. But you should not have. Unfortunately, her husband was in jeans, and she went, "Oh, you're wearing jeans," and I gave him my flat running.
Mare, put the ball back.
Which one is pants, by the way? I'm fat, so and tall, so I wear spring pants. So they were men's, so he was having fun. In fact, the other day,
Mary, you were over there. A little off today. You need to wait your turn. I think the other girl's in front of you.
Claudia, come over here. Freeze to the wall.
Mare, go freeze to the wall.